Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Career Guidance for You. This is Krishna Makwana and today I'm going to give you 3 must AI tools that you should have if you are a student and you're preparing for an exam, be it your college, school or any other competitive exam that you're giving. So let's dive right in. First up we have MyStudyLife. This app is a game changer for you to organize your study schedule. You can input your exam dates or even break down your study tasks. For its easy to use calendar and reminder features, you will never miss a deadline or a study session again. Next up is Cymath. If math is your Achilles heel, Cymath app is just for you. It uses AI to give step-by-step solutions to any of your math problems, making it easier to understand even difficult and complex concepts. Last but not the least, we have Grammarly. Writing essays and reports can be daunting, but Grammarly makes it easy for you. With its AI tool, it checks your grammar and punctuation, making sure that your writing is clear and error-free. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching and yes, good luck with your exams.